Morning, my miners. I hope you all are doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. Good freaking morning. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, guys, and thank you all for tuning in here today as well. I greatly appreciate that. While you're here, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate that, and you can share this video on your social medias. I would super greatly appreciate that as well. Guys, did y'all wake up to like things being profitable? Like, what's going on, man? Waking up, Bitcoin's at like 35k. I mean, it was like 34, I think the high was yesterday, but this morning, like, sheesh. Like, look at that. This morning we had a high of 35,000 and $328. That is out freaking standing, guys. Litecoin made all the way up to 72. That's just absolutely wild. Ethereum is almost at $1,900. Flux crept up to almost 40, back up into the 40 cents range. We're sitting around 35 right now. All right. Solana has been hanging in the $30 range. Had a high of $32 this morning, and then Ethereum Classic as well reached $17, with it's sitting around $16.86. So things aren't far off from their highs, and I would potentially expect them to keep coming up a little bit. Like, maybe, with like all of the crazy news, of course, like as you may or may not have heard, BlackRock's ETF is getting approved, and it is leading the charge, right? With that being said, though, there's been a huge amount of sell-offs. I think it was like $40 million worth of sell-offs in the last 24 hours. So it's kind of keeping the price down from keep on climbing. But to be expected, because people probably had sell targets at this height, and they are being achieved. So if you're a trader, make sure to look at your stuff, because trades are going through, right? But yeah, BlackRock's ETF is going to be going through. We'll probably most likely, not financial advice, maybe see 40k. As this from Seeking Alpha says, brings 38 to 40k range in sight, which is possible in the range that we have been in so far. We had a good jump from yesterday, 30 grand. I mean, we had a huge climb of like 5k in less than 12 hours of the notice of the approval, basically, which is, I mean, I'm not complaining, right? Not complaining. Our dollars are going up of what we're mining, but I mean, our SAT value is not increasing. Technically, our SAT value is going to go down because people are going to see the higher price and are going to, jump online to try and scoop up some of the profits while they can. So we'll probably see that, I would assume. But dude, it's freaking crazy. I love this. I love waking up to this. But guys, I will not sell my Bitcoin to BlackRock. I just won't do it. And I encourage you not to as well. HODL it. Sell some altcoins or something, but HODL that BTC. Not financial advice. But guys, I mean, with that being said, because prices are now going up, that means the price of miners are going to start going up. And I encourage you to go check out altertech.io. With the code CryptoMykel, all lowercase, you can get 5% off all parts and accessories. So you can effectively score a Epic board for about $155 shipped to your door. Well, that was for me anyway, is what my cost would be. So, like, absolutely fantastic to get the best efficiency that you can out of your miners, which now supports the vanilla S19, so you can get the OG S19 to work on the Epic boards, which is out freaking standing. Like, absolutely love it. So head over to their website, use the code CryptoMykel. I would greatly appreciate it. There is you can use the link down below. It is a referral link. It does help me out. It does not cost you a single thing at all, but it does help me. And you can get yourself an Epic board for a really good price. The 5% does not include any of the miners, but it does include the parts and accessories from altertech.io. So if you need new control boards, new ribbon cables, new power supplies, Nord cloud lines, the Epic board, which is up right there, fan replacements, fan simulators, the Loki kit to turn into 120 volt, like all of it. Even the accessories, guys. Even the accessories. So PDUs, cables, hubs for USB miners, all of these, you can use the code CryptoMykel and get 5% off. And I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright, so maybe it's a good time with the prices of cryptocurrency going up, as of course, like Bitcoin. You know, the prices of Bitcoin miners are going up, or will be going up, because they always do in the market. Maybe now is a good time to scoop up maybe an S19K Pro while you can for about $1,700, which I think is probably the most efficient thing you can buy right now for the amount of money. You can buy an S19J Pro Plus, but it pulls more watts than a S19K Pro, which achieves 120 terahashes, compared to an S19J Pro's 120 terahashes as well, but at the cost of more watts. Power consumption is 3,335 watts at 120 terahashes, compared to the S19K Pro, which will hit you 120 terahashes for 2,760 watts. That is a whole lot more efficient. Yeah, that's a 600 watt difference for the same amount of power. And then if you pair this with the Epic board, you can push that 3,000 same wattage, and you will achieve, like, for 3,200 watts, you'll have 130 terahashes, according to their chart right there in the middle. You can push it to 3,500 watts and get 140 terahashes, which is still better than the S19J Pro. And if you buy this and you choose to buy an Epic board, like see right here, you can add the Epic board and then go into the order notes, and they say free and ask for the free installation of the board, and they will install the Epic board for you, so you don't even have to do anything. And if you buy this and then use the code, you'll still get a cheaper than Epic board. So just a little TLDR. I would suggest it. Not financial advice, but Bitcoin go up, ASICs go up. Tends to happen. So use the links down below and use the code CryptoMykel. You know the drill. And guys, I have been checking out iNode since we talked about it last Saturday on live stream. Chump Change came rolling in and talking about my point of view on iNodes. And I mean, it's an awesome project for the purpose, right? You do lose custody of your coins when you send them to them, though. That is my only right? That's my only Of course, there's going to be fees associated with not running your own hardware. But in the last 3 days, because today hasn't fully rolled over yet, I have earned 4 Neoxa for 1,500 Neoxa that is inside the node currently. So take that for what it's worth. We'll have a video coming out on it probably, and we'll give it a further deep dive. But yeah, the road to hosting our own master node of Neoxa would be fantastic. Absolutely would be fantastic. So guys, You all are out freaking standing. Thank you all for coming on today, checking this out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Don't stare at the charts too much. You know, don't get your hopium all up in a wad. But have a fantastic day, guys. Much love. Peace out. Stay savage and keep your hash rates up. Your watts down low. We'll catch y'all next time. Peace.